Hey, welcome. Come on in. Bell Me Cherries here. I'm creating this look, and on this part of the video, you guys get to enjoy watching me creating the eye look for the full face. We have a flush of a pink blush situation going. We are already in the vibe for the next season, the love season. I've created this look using quite a few of my products of 2023. You want to see what product was used on the face, go ahead and check that full face, the base part of the video out, and this video up top here. All right, let's get to the eyes. I've already prepped up my eyes. I've set it with the setting powder, and I use the Rising Star cheek palette from NARS. I don't want to show it to you guys. I'll put a picture on the side here if I can, because one of my not even a pen, one of my colors are falling out. So I don't want to keep agitating it and lose a whole shade. I do not want that to happen. So I have those shades. Y'all, you see the color scheme and the color we have on the cheek. We're gonna pop a pink lips on the lips today, and I also have the Huda Beauty Empowered palette. I do want to use some shades on here, perhaps high shimmers as well, but mainly keep the pink hue coming from the cheek going into the eyes, but with the exception of some neutral shades in between. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm using this HBH Cosmetic brush, a round fluffy brush. I'm gonna go into this Keep Going shade on the side here, probably deepen it up with that brown, and we'll see where that leads us. I'm gonna use Big Dreams because that's what I got in my head right now, baby. Let's use Big Dreams. It's like a soft, there's some, I don't know what the shade is. It's like a muted brownish pink. That, and then Confident to deepen it up. Applying the powder over the lid after priming it with the concealer or eye primer allows you a nice soft glide with any shade, any shadows you want to add or blend over the lid, and that's what I'm experiencing right now. So you guys might see, let me pull you guys closer. You guys might see a little pinkiness peeking through that shade. Let's go with Confident with a much smaller round tip brush to give me some definition around the eye. As I go, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the shades for you guys so you guys can see. So these are the two, that one and this one is what I'm gonna go ahead and put on the lid. How pretty is this? I'm gonna go over with the other blending brush with Rebel, another soft with pink undertone shade right here, all over the lid. Okay, I think that's mainly what I'm gonna use from this palette. I'm gonna go back to the blush palette, keeping the whole color scheme going together, I'm gonna use the same brush I used with those 3 pinkish shade on the side of that blush palette on the lid and also the inner corner of my eye. Whatever's left from this, let's see how that pops or how that applies on top of what I got here. I'm gonna need more. So I'm building up those 3 pinkish shades from that palette. I use this brush because it's hard picking up the shade with, you know, the synthetic type of brushes. And this one really grab and pick up the shades nicely. You guys will notice I'm taking that pink on the inner part really farther down to the side of the nose as well. That's what I'm feeling right now. Is it gonna work out? I don't know. We'll just have to do it and learn from it and move on from it. What do you guys think? What am I doing? Okay, I do want to put a little pop of shimmer. There's this Courageous. That's exactly what I'm being right now. Thank you. This palette is speaking to me. This Courageous shade right here, I want to put that on the inner part ever so lightly. Just like just like the wind just blew it into the inner part of my eye. Not to just stick on there for to be, you know, too much or whatever. Hopefully we could make that happen. Courageous. What you got going on? Oh, Courageous looks dark. Let's swatch her. Oh no. It's a dual chrome type of thing. She looks dark. It's not gonna do what I want it to do. Let's see if I could. Not so courageous now. Let's just see how she's gonna be on the inner part of the eye, like right here on the tear duct. Oh, it could work. It could work. Let's go back with the plan. It can definitely work. Wow. Wow, that is so pretty. Can y'all see how pretty this looks? What the? Now I'm losing it. I am losing it. It is the right shade. It's perfect. It is just perfect. I think I want to deepen the lower lash with the Confident shade. And there's 2 creamy shades on here. Purpose and Worthy. Let's see how they could perform as eyeliners. I think I'm gonna like Worthy. That's nice. Locking me. Okay, we created a wing. Is it the best one? No, but with that same Confident shade, I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the lower lash. Just put it going up to this here, not all the way in. Lightly smudging the liner. All right, are we done here? Do it is what this shade is telling me. Just do it. This I'm gonna put on the lower part of the lid. I don't know why, but I just did. And I love that shade over my lid. We're gonna go ahead and put our mascara. Let me do the lip with you guys and then we'll come back. With the lips, I'm gonna go ahead and use this MAC powder lipsticks. This is a light pink Barbie doll type of pink shade. I'm gonna do my lip liner. We know we gotta go dark with the lip liner. Let me use Brownie from Juvia's Place. Why my brownie looking funny? And then we put her on. Okay. This is the most wearable pink lips I've had. I don't know. Yes, the lip liner plays a role, but this is not what I expected. I expected more of a deep, like a powdery pink, like more so like this, but we got that. It'll work. Maybe I can just dab a little bit of that blush over it to make it look more pronounced. We can do that. Let's do that. I'm gonna use this one, the pinkiest pink on this blush here. But that pink though, you see the difference? The bottom and the top. This is the matte pink, and this is with the blush. That did something. I love this. This is nice. Let me put my mascara, my lashes, and I'll be back. All right, this is the full face, you guys. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do y'all think? Why is lipstick sweet? It is sweet. The MAC lipstick. I feel like I have candy on my lips. But we're looking sweet. We just might be the candy. All right, this is the face. I'm looking cute and soft and lovable for the month to come. Yes, that's the vibe I'm in today, giving you guys something different. I really, really, really love that shade from the Empower palette. Did not expect that at all. Did I swatch it? Yeah. These are the shades I use from the palette, and also the Worthy and the Purpose paste that are on there as well on the waterline. We are looking cute. We are looking soft. I'm feeling soft. Feeling ooey and gooey on the inside. And that's what I got for y'all today. Hope y'all enjoyed the look. And enjoyed the full face look as well. And I'll see you on another one.